What kind of posture is that? What?
Like and subscribe.
Posture. How to sit.
Hi everyone, Teacher Roxanne here. Today's piano lesson is about why we shouldn't play like this guy or like this guy, and about what to do instead. Remember at any point that you can pause. You can also take the little dot down here and drag it to anywhere you need to in order to re-watch an entire section. Part 1, how to not be the monkey. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Wrong. Also wrong. The way your feet are on the ground or not on the ground actually affects your back muscles, which is why they need to be flat. But what if my feet can't reach the ground? I'm too short. If your feet can't reach the ground, then you'll need books or a stool, for example, and have your parents help you with that. Part 2, how to not be the hunchback. Roxanne, sitting straight isn't that hard, right? Like not bending your back. All I have to do is that, right? Yes and no. There's an easy way to sit up straight and there's a hard way to sit up straight. In order to not be the hunchback, you need to know how to crease. A crease is just a place where things fold. Like this piece of paper, you can fold it along the dotted lines here, around the character's waist and knees. We also have those places where we can fold our actual bodies. So to find that spot on your actual body, if you're wearing pants and you stand up, then you'll see there's a spot where it wrinkles a bit when you bend your leg. That spot where it wrinkles, that's where you're naturally creasing. Part 2 continued. Using the crease, practice sitting with me. First, put your hands on your thighs and look at your toes. Now karate chop your crease, turn your hands inwards, send your hips way back, bend your knees, keep that back straight, and now you will have sat. Good, let's do it again. Hands on your thighs, look at your toes, karate chop your crease, turn your hands in, send your hips back, back straight, and sit. Great job. Part 4, avoid these mistakes. Sitting directly on your tailbone, causing your back to be in a C curve. If this happens, pop your hips back behind you like this, and then your spine can be aligned. Creasing when you're too close to the bench, so that when you finish, you're sitting very, very far back when you need to sit on the front of the bench. We can summarize everything we just did with these 4 words. Feet flat, sit bones back. Remember that and you'll have great posture. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more piano lessons, and I will see you next time. Bye!